So here's how you can retrieve deleted images on the iPhone from a specific date. So let me show you exactly how it would work. If you are new here and first time on this channel, most definitely subscribe so you don't miss the upcoming tutorials and videos like this one. Anyways, whenever you delete a photo in the Photos app, it will be part of the recently deleted album. So you can switch from the library view to the collections, and at the bottom somewhere you should find the recently deleted, and you'll see the items which have been deleted, and you'll see the amount of days they have left until the photos will be permanently gone, right? So you can always tap on the images and tap on recover, but at the time you can see the specific date of the image, right? So you see when it was captured, right? And you see like how much time it has left until it will be fully deleted, right? So that is how you can find the specific date of the recently deleted photos. If you are using the Files app for photos organization, there as well you have the recently deleted album where you can go there as such and get more information about those files which are part of this, and also see the date and specifically when the photo or the document was created. So that is how you can find out about the date. Obviously the photos which you have deleted like a year ago are it's gonna be very hard to get them back if possible at all, because they will be deleted from the recently deleted album. So it depends if you have them backed up somewhere else or not, but if you delete them and a lot of time passes, then it's very hard to get them back. So let me know if you managed to get to your files. Thanks a lot for watching, and I hope to see you later in other future tutorials too.